Chappie, awesome to be here again this year, mate.
Yeah, thanks for coming up, Ben.
Mate, the bulls look awesome.
Yeah, happy with the way the bulls have come up, Ben. It's been a pretty good season here for us, and I think the bulls will present in really good order for the sale. We've got a strong policy of no grain for these cattle.
Yeah.
We want the buyers of these bulls to be able to take them home and they have a long working career for them.
Testament to this, mate, the Morses won the Beef Spectacular Steer Trial again.
Yeah, that's three years in a row. We've had a really good result there. 2 wins, and this year we got the champion carcass pen of the competition. And
yeah.
James and Sal Morse also ran 4th in the competition overall.
So, Chappie, tell me about your other clients. I mean, you've sold bulls to Victoria, Queensland, New South Wales. You've got to have some happy clients around the states.
Absolutely. You know, with adding a Euro cross into a lot of their herds, they're realising more yield. Yeah. Without sacrificing carcass qualities. You know, the marbling's still where they want it to be with larger ribeye areas. And we're trying to keep the muscle in the cattle as well as having the softness and fat cover so that they've got some finishing ability. We're not just breeding a terminal breed here. These are more than carcass animals. Yeah. We are really encouraging our clients to be keeping females by these Sim Angus and Black Simmental bulls. Yeah. The milking ability of the Black Simmental, and also all the study done on crossbred cows and the benefits they have on profitability. Yep. We just think it's an ideal cross for the commercial beef producer to use to get that hybrid vigour within their cow herd, as well as taking advantage of the maternal attributes of the Simmental.
So, Chappie, tell me about the sire lines available this year at the sale.
Look, within the purebred population, we've got bulls by Gateway Lucky Man, Woomera Manifest. There's a new sire within the yearling bulls called Hooks Yellowstone, who's been a very popular AI sire in America. We've used him in an ET program and we'll offer several calves by him, yearling bulls. Also, there are bulls by Cowboy Cut, another American sire that we've used and sold bulls last year, and they were well received. Within the Sim Angus population, we have more sons by Millamurra Right Time F226. They've been extremely popular over the last 3 years, and again, those bulls are hitting all the marks that we want them to hit. There's bulls by a son of Millamurra Right Time F226. We also have a line of yearling bulls by a new sire that we've sourced from America, GW Bar CK Breakout. He's come out of the Gateway program in America, and his carcass data and growth data are just fantastic, and the bulls we've got are really, really pleasing.
You've gone an extra step now, not only using Australian EBVs, but you're now using American EPDs for more accuracy. So, Chappie, what does all this mean for the commercial cattle producer?
Well, it's giving them another selection tool to use. We aim to provide as much information to our bull buyers as possible, and this is just the next step in that program.
Chappie, your breeding philosophy is about providing functional, meaty cattle with softness and finishing ability, isn't it?
It absolutely is. But we're also really focused on what's underneath the hides as well. The marbling, the ribeye area, eating quality are huge parts of our program. To that end, we source cattle from wherever we can around the world that will give us those traits without foregoing the traits that we need to run cows in this country. You know, we're a self-replacing herd. We run from 600 metres above sea level here to 1,000 metres in our high country. So the cows have got to be functional, mobile cows that can milk in that country, go back in calf in that country, wean a calf every year in that country.
Well, Chappie, it's been great spending time with you again, mate, and best of luck for the sale.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Ben. Thanks for coming up.
Good on you, mate. See ya.